Welcome. This is a simple morning yoga routine to wake up your body and clear your mind. Let's begin. Keep your knees wide apart. Bring back your hips to the heels. Reach forward with your arms into child pose. Breathe slowly here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come to the tabletop position. Arms under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale and drop the belly. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Come back to the tabletop position, and as you inhale, raise your right hand up and thread the needle. Inhale, raise your hand up and exhale, thread the needle. Inhale, open the chest and thread the needle. Now switch sides. Inhale, left hand into the sky and exhale. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now come back to the tabletop position and make circles with your hips. Slow circles, waking up those hips gently. Now go in the opposite direction. Big circles with your hips. Breathe as you make the circles. Now come back to the tabletop position. Bring your arms slightly forward, tuck your toes in and lift your knees up into downward dog. Adjust your legs as you need. Lengthen your spine. Take deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. As you inhale, take a step forward. Exhale and bend full forward. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend full forward. Once again. Inhale halfway and grab your toes. Exhale, bend full forward. As you inhale, come up vertebrae by vertebrae. Now take a seat. Come into the boat pose, keeping the chest up, engage the belly, keeping the knees bent, and relax. With your inhale, bring the right knee to the chest. Drop the right hand to the outside and gently move the right knee to the left. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring back the right knee. Inhale, left knee to the chest now. As you exhale, drop the left knee to the right hand side. Exhale and return the legs. Inhale, bring both knees to the chest. Exhale into Shavasana. Have a good morning.